Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Safari and loading the page you want to save. Once the page finishes loading, tap the share icon at the bottom center. This is where bookmarking begins. Make sure you've chosen the correct tab and that any login content is visible, because bookmarks save the current URL. If you prefer another browser like Chrome, the flow is similar, but the share or menu button may differ. Now tap Share to reveal the save options and continue to the next step. After tapping Add Bookmark, you'll see fields to edit the title and location. Change the title to something concise so you find it later. Tap Location to pick a folder. Selecting Favorites makes it appear on the Start page. If you need a new folder, cancel and use the Bookmarks menu to create one, then repeat Add Bookmark. Once you set the correct folder and title, tap Save. This ensures bookmarks are organized and easily retrievable when you need them. To open a saved bookmark, tap the bookmarks icon and navigate folders to find it. Tap the entry to open the page. To reorganize, tap Edit or long press a bookmark to move or delete it. Dragging changes order. If bookmarks aren't showing, make sure Safari is syncing with iCloud. Go to Settings, your name iCloud, and toggle Safari on. Also check that you're signed into the same Apple ID on all devices. If problems persist, restart Safari or the iPad and try again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.